Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to get the Squid Game 2 filter on TikTok. So if you want to become a part of the trending videos where users are turning themselves into a character of a Squid Game, then let me show you how to do this on TikTok. So before you begin, you're going to first go to your App Store or your Play Store, search for TikTok and make sure that's been updated to the latest version. Now once that's updated, go ahead and open the app. In the app, you're going ahead and searching for Squid Game filter. Now in the search results, you're looking for that Squid Game effect. If you don't see it, go ahead and look at the videos that are doing the trend. So for example, all of these, go ahead and tap on any of them. And just above the username, you'll see effect Squid Game. Go ahead and tap on this. This will show you all the videos that were created using that effect. And the effect looks like this. Now for those of you who cannot see this effect, unfortunately, it's not available in your region, and you need to wait until it is available in your region. TikTok is slowly rolling it out to everyone. I have pasted a link for this effect in the description down below, so you can go ahead and find it and tap on your phone, and you'll be able to see it. So to use it, go ahead and tap on Use this effect. This will now go into your TikTok's recording screen, show your face, tap on the record button, line up your face in that outline, and now give it some time. Once the effect has been applied, I'll then play the video for you. And there you go, guys. The effect has been applied. Go ahead and tap on next. And now you can go ahead and post this video to your TikTok app. So there you go, guys. That is how to become a Squid Game character on TikTok. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.